Ciao a tutti, sono Leo Cabid e benvenuti in un nuovo video. Oggi in questo video canterò delle canzoni che mi avete chiesto in direct su Instagram. E via col video!
And love it, I'll move you. And love it, I'll touch. You're my one. When all the said and done, you believe God is a woman. And I felt it after midnight. I felt it out to care. Find my one. Lingers when we're done. You believe God is a woman. L'abbiamo fatto davvero. Potremmo dire io c'ero. Abbiamo preso un aereo, poi siamo saliti più in alto del cielo. E non voglio tornare. E anche se tutto si spegne, la musica scende, tu non ti fermare. Continua a cantare quel giorno davvero, 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 davvero. Potremmo dire io c'ero, io c'ero, io c'ero, io c'ero, io c'ero. You say you love me, I say you're crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. Know you since we were like that. Yeah, don't mess me up, talking that ish. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that make me crazy. Here we go again. I know I can treat you better than he can. And any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me why are we wasting time and all you wasted time when you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better, better than he can. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing makes us feel alive. Love in a photograph. We've made these memories for ourselves, where eyes never closing, hearts never broken, and time's forever frozen still. I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and switch my eyes. I'm breathing in the chemicals. Portami giù dove non si tocca, dove la vita è loca. Andiamo a rotta, questa notte è nostra. Faremo come il vento da 0 a 100. Portami giù dove non si tocca, dove la vita è loca. Andiamo a rotta, questa notte è nostra. Andiamo come il vento da 0 a 100, 0 a 100. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen.